another vlog. Hey, oh, I am glowing this morning. Oh, hallelujah. Yes, melanin popping. Today we are off to Howick. We are going to be setting up, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. We're setting up for two special people, having a very special day today, and yeah, we're going to be part of it. So you guys are going to be setting up with me, seeing how I set up a different setup, which is today's vlog. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Oh, I am glowing. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna have to do a couple of stops, and then we set up. Hope you enjoy this video. It's a good day today. Yay! So we're going to pick up the helium balloons here, then we shoot straight to Howick. No, to Pietermaritzburg. Yeah, to Pietermaritzburg first. Grab some stuff there also, and then shoot straight to Howick. Let's grab these helium balloons. Okay, balloons are collected. Okay. So let's dash off to Liberty Mall in Pietermaritzburg.
from KZN, then you know that if you come across a gravel road, wherever you are going, it is going to be so serene, so beautiful, and out of this world.
Whenever you're having an event and you're looking for a very dope and affordable videographer, contact Elation Production.
And don't say I did not put you guys on, huh? They are the best. Check out their YouTube channel.
The person to speak to is Umfundo. There's it right there, guys. Have it, folks. We are done here today. A very special couple got engaged today. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you for staying this far in this video. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till next time, peace.